Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. During infancy and early toddlerhood, many children with autism may display distinct developmental variations, particularly in social and language abilities. When they may achieve typical milestones such as sitting, falling, and walking on schedule, there could be delays or distinctive patterns in their spoken language and peer interactions. The modified checklists for autism in toddlers, also known as MCHAT-Rs, are used as a screening tool to assess your child's behaviour through 20 thoughtfully crafted questions, specifically created for toddlers aged 16 to 30 months. This screener aims to identify potential signs of autism. Upon completion, results of the MCHAT-R will provide you with valuable insight. If necessary, it will indicate the potential need for further evaluation. This early detection can be instrumental in understanding your child's development and addressing any concerns promptly. To use our MCHAT-R, follow these steps. Download our MCHAT-R from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Familiarise the MCHAT-R's format, which involves parents completing a series of 20 questions based on their observations of the child's behaviours and interactions. These questions focus on behaviours commonly associated with autism and serve as a foundation for screening. Understand the scoring process and how each question contributes to identifying potential developmental concerns. Responses are tallied to determine the likelihood of autism-related issues. Specific questions carry more significant weight in assessing developmental markers. If the screener indicates possible concerns, approach the topic with empathy and sensitivity. Initiate open and supportive discussions, emphasizing the importance of further evaluation and potential early intervention if necessary. Early intervention can significantly impact a child's development, fostering their growth and potential during these crucial early years. Advocate for regular screenings to track the child's progress and adjust strategies and approaches as needed. Here is a sample of our MCHAT-R, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our MCHAT-R, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.